So this is just a quick room tour of my room. 210. I am currently in Royal Amsterdam Hotel, and pardon the mess. We're about to check out to go to Manila. So as you can see, we got two sofas, a little table here, desk here. TV is nice. Lots of channels. Get a DVD player, cable box. Like I said, the TV is loaded with channels. The bed, you get a thin blanket. There are no windows. My girl's outside because she's freezing. She's trying to warm up, and she had to literally leave the room because the air conditioner gets the room very cold, and you don't necessarily have anything to really warm you up because this blanket is very thin. I like thick comforters. That makes me feel better. You have a loaded fridge here, fully stocked is what they call it. Fully stocked fridge with Royale, beer, sodas, juices, water. You have complimentary water, but they leave that out. I was having some trouble with the refrigerator. I was thinking that it doesn't necessarily keep things cool, but it does. I guess it does, but what happens is this is one of those rooms where, well, let me show you to the bathroom real quick, and I'll just explain. This is one of those rooms where when you pull out the key, all the power goes out. So the refrigerator, pretty much when you're outside of the room, is not working until you come back to the room. So overnight, I guess it will cool. So we got two sinks. The bathroom is huge, as you can see. Huge. We got a plant in here. The toilet is all the way over here. The shower is here. The tub is here. It's a smoking room. They have smoking and non-smoking rooms. So it's, you can smoke in the room if you have a smoking room. You can request for one. Lots of towels. We got four towels. Two hand towels over here, and really that's it. I mean, I can show you the let me see if there's a safe in here. I haven't checked, but one of the things with the key is this is the power key. So as soon as I do that, power's off, everything gone. Flip the switch, everything is back on. So this is where you lock the door. You use this lock to lock the door with the key. Show you into the closet real quick. Nothing in here. I use this hook here to hang my bag though. It's a little dark. I guess I'll turn on the flash. Steady on. Cool. Upgraded my phone, so. Oh man, are we fucking morons? So you do get a comforter, and it's in the damn closet. And we could have used this whole time, but we have not been using it, so we've been freezing our butts off. Don't be like us. Check the closet. Make sure you get the comforter out so you can sleep well and not in freezing fear. Yep, this is pretty much everything. This is Ariel Penn from Royal Amsterdam signing off. Well, let me show you real quick outside. So right outside of the room, you have this little lounge area where you should be kind of quiet. There's a restaurant next door, but there's a 20% surcharge on any food that you bring into your room. I guess I could show you that real quick. Whenever I find the menu. So I guess this is just the rules, and in the event that you break something, lost or damaged items. Yeah, that's not us. We try not to even touch the menu bar. Yeah, if I could find you the menu, I would show you that There's a 20% surcharge, but I can't really find the menu right now. So this is it. This is Ariel Pan signing off. Adios.